Google for Startups is Google's global initiative designed to empower entrepreneurs and early-stage startups worldwide with resources, mentorship, funding, and infrastructure to accelerate their growth. Launched in 2017, it expanded upon earlier programs like Google Launchpad, which began in 2015, to provide crucial resources, mentorship, and infrastructure for startups at various stages. This initiative supports over 1 million startups globally through various no-equity programs, helping to accelerate their growth, foster innovation, and connect them to a vast network of opportunities. One of its cornerstone offerings is the Google for Startups Cloud program, which delivers significant financial benefits and technical support tailored for emerging tech companies. Eligible early-stage startups can receive up to $350,000 in free Google Cloud credits over 2 years, starting with $200,000 in the first year and an additional $150,000 in the second upon eligibility, along with dedicated support from Google Cloud experts. Over 1,000 startups join this program each month, gaining access to resources specifically tailored for innovative tech companies that are under 5 years old and have raised less than $10 million in funding. Google for Startups also hosts a variety of equity-free accelerator programs, which are typically 3-month virtual cohorts involving 10 to 20 startups focused on rapid development and scaling. Examples include the Accelerator, AI First, launched in 2023 for AI and ML startups, and the Accelerator, Generative AI, introduced in 2024 for generative AI applications, both providing substantial Google Cloud credits up to $350,000. Regional accelerators, such as the India Accelerator since 2019 with over 40 cohorts and 300 startups supported, and the Africa Accelerator since 2020 with 7 cohorts, have empowered hundreds of startups across numerous regions. The Black Founders Fund, featuring a $100 million commitment since 2020, annually supports 30 Black-led startups with equity-free funding ranging from $150,000 to $350,000 plus comprehensive mentorship. Alumni from these programs include over 1,000 startups collectively valued at more than $40 billion, with standout success stories like Instacart, Brex, and Graphcourt demonstrating remarkable growth and impact. For post-seed and Series A startups aiming to scale beyond $10 million in annual recurring revenue, the Growth Academy provides specialized programs designed for advanced growth strategies. These include the 8-week Growth Academy, AI launched in 2024 supporting 20 startups in AI scaling, and Growth Academy, Climate, which focuses on sustainable innovations in environmental technology. Google for Startups maintains 10 physical campuses globally, including locations like Tel Aviv opened in 2013, Madrid in 2017, Warsaw in 2018, Seoul in 2019, Mumbai in 2020, Sao Paulo in 2021, and Toronto in 2022, alongside over 40 virtual ones to foster vibrant startup ecosystems. These campuses offer free workspaces accommodating over 100 startups at a time, host more than 1,000 events every year, and provide hands-on mentorship from over 500 experts worldwide. They cultivate a thriving community of over 100,000 founders, creating unparalleled networking, collaboration opportunities, and access to shared knowledge and experiences. Beyond these core offerings, Google for Startups has established builder funds and special initiatives to address specific needs and underrepresented groups within the entrepreneurial community. The Google for Startups Black Founders Fund, with its $100 million commitment over 5 years from 2020 to 2025, has already completed over 120 investments in promising Black-led ventures. Similar commitments include the Google for Startups Women Founders Fund with a $100 million pledge and the Latino Founders Fund, each delivering crucial equity-free funding and targeted support to diverse founders. The residency program provides a 6-month immersive experience for technical founders at Google offices in key locations like Mountain View and London, offering deep integration into Google's engineering environment. Additional resources encompass demo days with annual events connecting startups to over 100 investors, and the Founder Academy featuring comprehensive online courses for skill building. An extensive expert network comprising over 40,000 mentors, combined with strategic partnerships with leading venture capitalists like Sequoia and Andreessen Horowitz, further bolsters startup success and funding prospects. Since 2015, Google for Startups has supported over 5,000 startups through its accelerators, enabling them to raise more than $25 billion in follow-on funding from investors worldwide. This comprehensive support has led to the creation of over 50,000 jobs, significantly contributing to global economic growth, employment opportunities, and sustained innovation. The initiative places a strong focus on critical areas such as artificial intelligence, climate technology, health innovations, and fintech solutions, driving progress in sectors essential for the future. For aspiring entrepreneurs and early-stage founders seeking to build their ventures, Google for Startups offers an unparalleled ecosystem of comprehensive support and growth resources. Whether you require Google Cloud credits, accelerator programs, expert mentorship, or connections within a vibrant global community, Google for Startups equips you with the essential tools to achieve lasting success. To explore these opportunities, learn more, and submit your application, simply visit startup.google.com today. It's a completely no-cost, globally accessible platform thoughtfully designed to help your innovative ideas flourish and transform into successful realities.